Reconciliations, my fellow gamers. We come together for celebration, for we have embarked a journey many refuse to take. My fellow gamers, we fought from the glorious trenches of Pac-Man competitive speedrun to the intoxicated lobbies of Call of Duty, to the abomination generation of the Fortnite era. Today, we come together, not as enemies, not as strangers, but as friends and companions. Today is a day where we shall put aside our differences. Let not race, gender, or belief separate us from the truth. The truth being that we are gamers, and as gamers, we shall stick like honey. No matter if you're a Fortniter or a Candy Crusher, we accept all and we celebrate all. Today is a day where we shall not allow fear, anger, depression, or anxiety to take us away from the truth. You are not alone. You must keep going because you